Are you struggling with delayed deliveries of quality weld fixtures and are vendor after-sale support a big disappointment? Here's how Elite can help you. We have over 25 years of manufacturing experience and expertise in designing and building of complex weld fixtures. We deliver in 12 weeks from purchasing order time. Our fixtures come delivered with CMM certified quality, unique design and rapid fixture changeover provision, such as harding connectors, air supply, power supplies, communication cable, and locator pins. We let you choose your fixture design and material such as copper, elkonite, carbon steel, and aluminum. And your power cylinders such as Destaco, Tunkers, SMC, and your pneumatics such as Festo, SMC, and Mac. We offer rigid plumbing and flexible plumbing options. We design spot and MIG weld fixtures, and we build to print details, base plates, and more. We fully assemble, do plumbing installation, wiring, and have coordinate measuring machine verified weld fixtures. We are the most cost competitive weld fixture provider in the market. We also provide 24/7 remote support such as troubleshooting of power plant failures, valve banks, sequencing, etc. Elite Automation is committed to doing reworks whenever required, and we will provide new detailing, no questions asked. Book a free consultation now with the Elite Automation team.